morning everyone. I hope all are fine. So today in maths class we are going to revise the concept of subtraction. Okay, using word problem. So let us start. We had already done in the book. Now this work you have to do in the notebook. And before going to explain, I'm telling you few things. Let us discuss. Subtraction. Subtraction word problems can be understood by the following terms like take away, give away, what is the difference, how many less and how many more. So please repeat after me all these keywords which are using in subtraction when we are solving the sums. Okay. 1. Take away. Speak up after me. 2. Give away. 3. What is the difference? 4. How many less? 5. How many more? So these are the keywords which we are using in subtraction. Okay. Let's start question number 1. Please listen very carefully and understand it. There are 684 marbles in a bowl. Harry took out 417 marbles from the ball. How many marbles are left in the ball? By now, you know what we have to do in this question. Don't you? Yes. First find out what information it gives us. There are 684 marbles in a bowl. Okay. And Harry took out 417 marbles from the bowl. Let us see what we have to find out. Okay. Now you have to underline 684 marbles and 417 marbles. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out how many marbles are left in the bowl. So, to find out how many are left, we have to subtract. We have read in the keyword slide that when there is a left word, how many left, it means we have to subtract. So, to find out how many are left, we have to subtract from 417 from 684. First subtract ones, then subtract tens, and finally subtract hundreds. Am I right? And we have to write the statement also. So we are writing total marbles in a ball. Okay, because there are total marbles 684. Took away marbles from the bowl. Harry took marbles 417 from the bowl. And how many left marbles? So we will write left marbles in a bowl. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract ones, that is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. This is in the ones. Now 4 is smaller than 7. As we regroup 8 tens and as 7 tens plus 10 ones. Am I right? So now we have 10 ones plus 4 ones equal to 14 ones. Okay, fine. So therefore 14 minus 7 equal to 7 ones. Now subtract the tens. 7 minus 1, tens, and in hundreds 6 minus 4 equal to 200. So thus the difference of 684 and 417 is 267. There are 267 marbles left in a bowl. I hope you understand the concept. It is more clear to you. Now we are going to the question number 2. Let us discuss question number 2. Please listen very carefully. It's very easy and you have to listen carefully only. A box of 360 cookies. He has 210 cookies left with him. It means someone had taken some cookies. How many cookies were given to his friends? Now we have to see what we have to find. Okay. First, we find out what information it gives us. 360 cookies, 210 cookies. These are the important words which we have to mark it. How many cookies were given to his friends? Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find how many cookies were given to his friends. Okay, so now first we have to subtract. Okay, we should know 360 minus 210. We all know the symbol of subtraction. It is minus. Okay, now first subtract ones, then subtract tens, and at last finally we have to subtract hundreds. Now we have to write the things also. Total cookies in a box, okay, left in a box, and how many cookies he had given to his friends from the box. So we have to remember all these things. Okay, now in ones there is a 0. 0 minus 0 is again 0. We all know if you have no chocolates, if you have no cookies and you don't want to give any cookies, so their answer will be 0 only. Okay, nothing will be left. Now tens, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 1 is the smaller number. We have to subtract. Okay, we will count from 2 to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer will be 5. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. We had already read that how we have to subtract it. It is a simple question. You don't have to borrow. You don't have to do anything like that. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now 360 minus 210 equal to 150 cookies, as we have seen in this slide. So thus the difference of 360 minus 210 equal to 150 cookies left, which he will give to his friends. Okay, we had total cookies to 360 360 and someone had taken 210. Now what he do? He distributes 150 cookies with his friends. Okay students. Now question number 3 and question number 4 you have to do yourself in the notebook. Okay, all the 4 questions you have to do in the notebook. I explained you first 2 questions. Listen carefully and then do it. And question number 3 and question number 4, please do yourself, then show to your mama. Okay, so today we have all revised word problem of subtraction which we had earlier done in the books. Now these all 4 questions you have to do in the notebooks. Okay, your maths notebook basically. So till then we will meet in the next class, in the maths class, with the different thing, with the new concept. Till then, bye, stay home, stay safe and bye.